What's up, squad? Thanks for stopping back by the channel. Today we're doing something special. If you've been here, been around the channel, you know we don't do a lot of New Balance sneakers here on the channel. Not that I don't like New Balance at all, just didn't get into that mesh boy kind of mesh movement, the comfy era, as much as I probably should. A lot of Nikes, a lot of SBs, Jordans, things like that. But today we got something special, y'all, straight from the hands of Joe Freshgoods. We are talking about the Joe Freshgoods 992 aged well. If you know, you know. Joe Freshgoods. I think with this release, Joe Freshgoods has shown other brands how to do a proper release, like how to do it right. And I think also the shoe itself, one of my questions is it a perfect shoe? So before we unpack all that, do me a quick favor, sub up on the channel. If you've been here before, you like our content, vibe out with us, make sure you like and subscribe. Love to hear from y'all what y'all think of this video today and the shoe that we're talking about. Shout out to my boy Be More Sneakers for going to the Joe Freshgoods pop-up, something I couldn't get to. I had work things going on. But Joe Freshgoods did a couple of pop-ups before All-Star Weekend. And I saw him talking about it afterwards, like how he was so happy with the way these things rolled out. The events that he had was really dope, and it didn't get swallowed up in like the All-Star Weekend craze, because we know like Nike and Jordan Brand went nuts out in California with all the shop drops and stash and all those things. Joe Freshgoods did his own pop-ups. He did a pop-up in person. I'm in the Baltimore area. He was in DC at Somewhere Official down in DC, sneaker store. And my guy Be More Sneakers went down there and got in line. I think he was down there like 8 a.m. Got a nice bag. Joe Freshgoods, aged well on the bag. And in the box itself, on the box, Joe Freshgoods actually took the time out to sign some stuff, which was cool. He signed all the boxes. And it was great. They had a lot of people that showed up for that release. I mean, I saw at least 100 people plus in that line. Saw pictures, things like that, if you did see them online. But I think everybody got a pair, which is dope. It wasn't like they did this whole big pop-up for like 30 pairs of shoes, you know what I'm saying? Joe Freshgoods was there, he was invested, he wants to get the sneakers out into the hands of the people, meet the people in the community, and that's just dope. He's a Chi-Town guy, designer, fashion guy, and I love what he's done with New Balance. And we're gonna talk about why this is called Aged Well, with the design and inspiration that's behind his shoe. But yeah, 2025 Joe, thank you with the heart. The box itself is fresh. I mean, this box is dope, right? Made in the USA for 75 years. New Balance made, they got on one end. And on this other side, it actually says made history, right? Not just made in the USA, but made history with the JFG logo. And yeah, the box is fresh, man. This is a size 12. If you want to see the label, there you go. So yeah, aged well. Now we know that one of the Joe Freshgoods, his first New Balance collab was the 992, and it was the No Emotions Are Emotions release. And that shoe is like multicolored, grail for a lot of people. I don't know how many pairs they made it at, but I know it. The price on that is insane. Like I think it's like 2-3 stacks on StockX I saw earlier. GOAT. I mean, crazy expensive price for that pair of New Balance. Again, I'm in the DMV or next to the DMV. Baltimore's we're DMV adjacent. We're not in the DMV. There's a whole big debate that goes on. I'm not going to get into that here on the channel today. But being in this area, New Balance has always been alive and well, like since I was a kid. But I just never got into New Balance that heavy. Like I've had some over the years, but the new wave now, New Balance, of course, Asics, the runners, things like that have been crazy. But in any event, Joe Freshgoods, 992, No Emotions Are Emotions. That shoe is a grail for a lot of people. Multicolored. The new shoe, the Aged Well, is literally a play on that same release. So this is Aged Well. So it literally takes the paneling, the color blocking, and everything from that other shoe. If you set it next to this one, you see the light colors. And now this is more like a washed, subtle version of that same shoe. Right, so the darker border colors around where these dark pink, peach colors are. The pinks are, you can see, if you look at them side by side, you can tell. But on its own right, it's a dope shoe. I mean, this shoe is like a nice spring, fall kind of color, like something you can just wear and just relax, like an everyday type of vibe, like chill, relaxed looking shoe. And the 992 it's a great, comfortable model. The sole on this is really chunky, which is nice. And I think, this is not my personal pair, but I think I might have to go for a pair. The raffle right now is live. You got 2 days. I think it drops on the 20th, and $220. It's a dope pair. And, this gives you a chance to, if you weren't getting that $2,000 and $3,000 pair, you can get this one. And this is a very nice consolation, so to speak. But Joe Freshgoods, man, great design. The dude tells stories through his shoes. He does a lot, in the box and in the shoes, and a lot of messages and things like that hidden in his shoes, and the visuals that go along with his releases are dope. One of my favorites was I think it's the 1998, and that was the one inspired by Belly, the movie Belly. He had like the Keisha blue, he had a black and white, the gray and white. Then he did the performance art, right, which is those pastel colored ones. That was I can't remember what model that was. Then he did, of course, the inside voices, the outside clothes were very popular. All those shoes. But this one, aged well, talks about that original shoe that he did. And if that were washed in the sun, right, the sun bleaches everything and it looks lighter. This is the aged well version of that shoe. And in addition, it also pays homage to his relationship with New Balance, right, and how it's aged well over their partnership. So Joe is really like the epitome of a great collab or collaborator. He's done a bunch of models for New Balance. He's done great work with them. They've all been really, really good. I mean, I think that he did like some outdoor kind of trail running shoes that I don't think went over too well. I know they did the 1000s recently. I'm not a huge fan of that silhouette. But overall, great partnership, great collab that he's grown with them. Of course, we know he's also done some things with Vans and did some things with Sprite. So he's, venturing out, lids and things like that for caps. But yeah, great shoe, man. I mean, if you look at the panels, I'm not gonna get too deep into it tonight. Going through this, you see the peach, you see the mesh panels and cutouts all throughout the shoe. You get peach, you get pink. You got USA, you got Joe Freshgoods on the back heel. You got Joe Freshgoods, the JFG logo under New Balance right on the tongue. And this is a nice, soft, like glove leather, this brownish color. Hits of that around the tongue area, down here, as well as on the back tab on the rear of the shoe. I really like the midsole, where it gives you this kind of window into the heel counter there. That's a really hard plastic, nice foam midsole. You got some more hard rubber down at the bottom. And this section here, I think this is the Absorb, right, which is their technology for, cushioning and things like that from New Balance. But really, really cool. And on the bottom, you get your 992 under there with the multicolor, mostly black outsole. Just a really clean pair, man. Easy to rock. Something like a nice cream, some pants, whatever, some shorts, sweatpants, I'm talking like in the summertime or springtime. Really, really nice. The insoles, I don't know exactly what these are. There's some kind of print on those, some gradient or something. I've seen some people said they may think it's like the skin of a goldfish. Like I see a little scale situation there, and I'm not sure. Aged well. Can't tell what that is. Maybe we'll get more detail as we hear more things, as this release actually drops. One other thing that Joe Freshgoods does, he gives you a lot of customization options with shoelaces. And this one was no joke. You got a gang of shoelaces with this shoe. So my buddy Be More Sneakers, he put in like this aged kind of cream sail lace that's in there now. They come with plain sail, they come with a light blue, they come with like a peachy salmon kind of color. They come with like a army green. So yeah, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5 pairs of laces. So you can, customize these up to the hilt to go along with the fit or the look that you want. Again, $220 on February 20th. The raffle is live right now. Get in there if you want a pair of these. Or if you'd rather go for the Grail pair, get your three grand ready. for those. I'll take the 220. But yeah, dope shoe. Let me know what you think about it. Are you glad to get a quick look at this? I'm only showing y'all one. I apologize. Let me get two shoes. We got both. We got both shoes in the building tonight. All right. Nice pair. What do you think about these? Are these a cop for you or are they a skip? You know, it's a lot going on and a lot of releases on the way from all the brands right now. So yeah, let me know where these rank on your list. Make sure you sub up on your way out. Tap in on IG and the TikToks and things at Real Daddy Seed. And I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.